Good day and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can use StealthWriter to detect AI content written by written using AI tools, and then you cannot just only detect, you can also humanize all of your content. You can also generate and you can also detect. So let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is check the content that has been written using ChatGPT. So we are going to go here and we are going to copy the text, go back and then paste. Yes, so these are tests. You scroll down a bit and click on click on AI Detector. You paste your text and you click on check for AI now, and then immediately your result is out. And as you can see, human detection result. Now you have just 8% of human written and then 92% AI generated. So that's to tell you that this contest that we pasted, 92% was written by AI. So, and which is very bad for academic work, and it is also bad for any professional writing or document that needs to be submitted for any professional work. So, how do we go about this? We can also humanize this content and turn this content into human written content. Now let's go. Click on Humanizer and you paste the same text here and you click on Humanize. Now, as you can see, this is the result. Now, humanized text preview. Your text is now 100% human written, from AI generated to human written. So, and all you have to do is just copy your work and then go back to your document and paste, and your work is ready for submission. So you can copy here, you can remove the highlights and then show original text and all of that. Now this your human written text, which is showing in blue, as you can see, in green rather, sorry. So, and then the last thing you can also do is to generate um, whatsoever you want to generate. You can just give it a prompt, write anything you want it to generate, and then it generates it for you. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. Like our video, subscribe and share. And for you to get this professional or premium tool, you can also reach out on WhatsApp or through making a comment on this video, and then we'll pick it up from there. You can get this tool at an affordable rate by reaching out to us on WhatsApp. Thank you, thank you, thank you.